Welcome back, guys. All right, the subframe is done and it looks amazing. So yeah, this side was the bad part on the subframe with the rust and stuff, and now it looks like it's brand new. Very nice. So in today's video we're gonna be installing the aluminum bushings right here. You guys could see. I'm gonna be pressing them in with this shop press right here. Hopefully everything goes well, and we could maybe reinstall the subframe back on that car, on the B5, if everything goes well. Yeah, before we start anything, let's heat up the garage because it's cold. Before I start pressing these in, I'm gonna show you guys something. So on each of these aluminum bushings, it says right here, FR up. That means front row up. So this is the front of the subframe. So this is the top side. So it's the up side. So it goes right here. So then this one, FR low, front row low. So it goes right here. And we're just gonna have to press these in. That's it. So you guys don't make a mistake. Same thing for the back. It just says R up. That's what it is. I don't know if you guys could tell, but that's what it says right here. R up. And this says R low. So this one would go in here. And then the other one would go in here. Like that. And we just press them in. And we're golden. Same thing on this side.
Right, so this is the front R up. So this is the front row up. This is the front of the subframe. So this is the top side. Alright, so we're just gonna press this in right now. Let's make sure everything's even and aligned. Let's get it going.
We just finished putting the bushings in. So this is the top of the subframe. All right, now let's show you the underneath. I thought the subframe is going to be much heavier, but it's actually not that heavy. Yeah. All right, here's the bottom of the subframe. Voila, beautiful, beautiful. Looks good, looks good. All right, so now we're gonna be ready for an install.
This is what happens when you spend too much money on the race cars and you don't pay your bills to turn off your power. Ha! No, I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm joking. Suckers! Alright, so we're back. We're gonna be putting up the subframe. Right here. Voila. That beauty is gonna go in the car today. It's gonna go in the car.
Alright guys, so yesterday we pressed in all the aluminum bushings. And unfortunately it got a little late, so I ended the job. And today we're gonna put in the subframe. We're gonna reinstall the subframe into the car. The engine bay needs a power wash also. Look at this. You know, needs a power wash. But obviously I'm not gonna do it inside the garage, so once I put in the subframe and get this car back on the wheels, I'll pull it out of the garage, and then we're gonna go from there. Power wash the whole inside of the engine bay, so it looks like brand new. All right, let's get the show on the road. With these bushings, we got 4 bolts, brand new bolts. So I unscrewed the old ones that were on the body to see if they're actually identical or they're different. And according to me, they're the same height and everything is the same. So it doesn't matter if we use the old ones or the new ones, but I prefer using the new ones. Let's start this. Let's go. Oh boy. Man, this is a piece of art right here. Oh yeah. You do everything by yourself. That's what's up. Look at this. Wow. This looks really good. Especially when it's resprayed with new bushings. Fantastic. All right. All right, we got all the bolts in. Bam, 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 right here. All right, I'll show you guys one very important step that you guys can't miss when you guys installing a subframe back on the car. All right, B5, all the B5s, they have an alignment hole right here in the front of the subframe. There's one right here, and then there's another one right here. This one is not aligned. I'll show you guys how to align this right now. All right. See, I take a 40mm socket with an extension. If it's perfectly inside a hole, then align all 3. See, you guys could see. Oh crap! Jesus Christ! All right, right here. You guys see this? All right. So motor mount bracket is aligned. The subframe is aligned to the chassis, right here, to the body. So now, when you align this, screw in 1, 2, and 3 bolts, and you're all set on this side. And same thing on the other side. All right. Yeah, these covers for the rear subframe bushings, I didn't install them because I think these are just the covers and we don't need those no more because we got solid ones, as you guys can see. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think we need them. If we do, just let me know and I'll install them, but I don't think we need them. So yeah. All right, we got everything installed. It was kind of challenging, like seriously it was, with these aluminum bushings, installing the subframe back to the car. Whew. Yeah, but we got it done. We got it done. Man, that back one over there was the hardest one. It didn't want to align, but it aligned. Everything is perfect. All the bolts are screwed in. Subframe is on. Sway bar is on. Motor mount brackets are on. Control arms are on. Now we just gotta put the wheels on and drop the car down. Yeah, can't wait. Yeah, so now, seriously, this subframe looks way too nice. We gotta clean up the engine bay also. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing a wire tug over here. Try to hide as much as possible. Yeah, we'll see. Like all these cables right here, we don't need all these. Who needs headlights, right? Who needs a horn? We don't need a horn. This is a race car. Stay tuned for the next video. Probably gonna be rebuilding the transmission or welding a custom oil catch can for the B5 VR6 swap. And I'll see you soon. Peace.